What about videos? What about sending videos in the DMs when someone connects?
I maybe it's just like my my natural inclination to be a little bit the thing is that you'll get a notification that somebody sent you something, but you won't necessarily know what it is. And especially with video, like maybe for us, we don't think about it as much, but I know plenty of women who they have a lot of hesitations about opening that video. They have a lot of hesitations about accepting something like that because they don't know what they're getting, right? So like I'm a little split on it. I see both sides. I've seen people be very successful with it, and I've seen others not do so well. I think that the main thing to ensure that it's successful for you is have built up a little bit of a brand. When you've built up a little bit of a brand and some trust, when people see that you sent them a video message, they're like, you know what? I know the guy. I know the quality of him as a human. I'm not quite as concerned as, Joe Johnson, who I've never interacted with, sending me a video. There's for a lot of reasons, it may come off the wrong way, right? So I think that
Right.
that's the difference.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.